Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's morning market review. I believe everybody's doing very well. I believe you're okay. Hope we had a very splendid night. So yes. We're just going to get started in about 5 minutes while we wait for others to actually join in. All right. I hope you're all ready to make money this morning. Hope you are ready. We have our accounts funded and we are ready to go. All right. So yes, my name is Valentine. So please, thank you very much for joining in and coming in this morning. So we're just going to wait for about 5 minutes for others to join in and we would get started. Thank you. All right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. One more time. Thank you very much for joining in this morning. And one more time, good morning to the morning market review. My name again is Valentine. And yes, we're going to get started this morning by first of all looking at our Forex Factory and also going to check out news that's surrounding the global financial market. And of course, as a great trader, you need to first of all take all this into consideration before we are actually going to be taking trades. You don't want to just jump into the market without actually considering how the news around the world is going to be affecting it. We've seen how the war in Ukraine and Russia have affected the market. We've also seen how the war against the Israelis and Palestinians are actually affecting the market as well. So we are going to dive right into it and look at what the news is talking about. We're going to look into the US index and see what the market is actually saying about the US index. All right. So yes, if you're looking for a site to actually use for the news, yeah, of course, investing.com is your go-to. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. So yes, investing.com, investing.com, go to investing.com for any news you like to actually find out. Of course, there are different sites you can check out for news. You can check out FX Street. You can check out Yahoo Finance. That is finance.yahoo.com. You can check out lifemint.com. You can check out Daily FX. I also have CNN. Yes, CNN websites. You can actually talk about the markets. Okay. Also, we have Reuters as well, and then you also have Bloomberg. So there's a lot of websites you can get news from, but the one that's mostly used by me personally, and I like and enjoy because it's actually straightforward, is investing.com because they have very good user interface. Okay, so let's go straight now and look at currencies. Let's see what let's look at USD IDX. So if you dollar index, that should be DX. So scroll down and go to news and analysis. Then we can see 1 hour ago, dollar firm after US inflation reports, one flat despite weak China price data. So you might want to open this on another tab. 11 hours ago, dollar gains after US consumer price rises more than expected. This was for last night, as it was 11 hours ago. Okay, so let's look at it and see what happened with the news that came out last night concerning PPI. Now, the dollar rose sharply on Thursday after US consumer prices rose more than expected in September, lifted by an elevated cost of rent that raised the prospect of the Federal Reserve keeping interest rates high for some time. So what this is basically saying is that they're talking about, it came out good for the currency, whereby we're talking about increasing or keeping interest rates high. Now, when that happens, yeah, probably mopping up funds from the economy, hence making it scarce, hence pushing the price of that currency up. All right, so it's just a way of capturing or holding down inflation. All right, so let's see what it's saying for this morning. Now, why we always look at the dollar is because dollar is traded against a whole lot of baskets of currencies as well. So it's most important to actually check it out because, of course, the dollar is the powerhouse of of currencies, the most traded currency in the entire world. So yeah, the dollar held firm on Friday after stronger than expected US consumer inflation revived prospects that the Federal Reserve will have to keep rates higher for longer. At the same time, investors digested producer and consumer prices data out of China that showed deflationary measures were slightly stronger than expected. Yes, so that's basically saying that they are looking at curbing inflation, right? So the US consumer, we're reading here now, the US consumer prices were pushed higher by a jump in rental costs in September. Data showed on Thursday, although a steady moderation in underlying inflation pressures supported expectations that the Fed would not hike interest rates next month. The data did raise the chance of rates staying elevated for some time. Yes, so now, if we are seeing signs that the market is looking like the inflation is actually looking at being curbed. So we are going to be looking at possibly leaving it unchanged or increasing it a little bit. So what that does is stating that the economy is looking healthy. There's no longer inflation, or rather the prospects of inflation is actually reducing, and in turn is going to definitely give rise and give strength to the US dollar. So of course, we are looking at the US dollar being strong for some time. Yes, I know the US, they always find ways to ensure that the US dollar remains very, very strong. So with that in mind, let's go into the market. Okay, let's first of all see what we are looking out for Forex Factory. So for GBP, Bank of England Governor Bailey is going to be speaking. That is by 9 a.m. By 9 a.m. All right. So you want to look out for GBP pairs to take advantage of it. So we want to go to forexfactory.com. You can read up on the news by clicking the envelope here. Once you click it, you have the news, what it's about, and how to actually take advantage. Here, this it says that more hawkish than expected is good for currency. All right, so now remember on Forex Factory, we look out for the red envelopes, which is more or less like high impact news, for the high impact news. So by 3 p.m., we're going to be seeing another high impact news coming from the US zone this time, prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Now, what is this about? You can open this and read about it. There are two versions of this data released 14 days apart, preliminary and revised. The preliminary release is earlier and thus tends to have the most impact. Why do traders care? Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for majority of overall economic activity. So it's basically talking about consumer spending. How are the citizens spending money? If they're spending money, if they have money, means there's economic activity, means that there is the economy is healthy, means that there's good funds and money in circulation, hence increasing GDP. All right, so it's very, very important to always look through the news and understand what's happening in the market. So with that said, I'm going to go straight to our chat this morning. I believe everybody can hear me. All right, so great. Samuel, I see you. Ahmed, thank you. Babatunde, Bamidele, lovely. So yes, I'm going to use a template, a specific template. Yep. Okay, so now we're going to go straight into it and look at US 100 first of all. Let's look at US 100 first of all. Now we remember the relationship between the US indices and the US dollar. So once the US dollar is gathering strength, the US indices tend to actually be heading south. All right, so we can see here now, this is a special indicator that I have that I created. So you can always speak to your account manager to get this. So it basically tells you the areas of where you can buy and sell, right? Simply tells you the areas you can buy and sell. And once the moving average conforms to these areas as well, then you can go in for either a buy or a sell. You can see that from here, it's been showing a good sell indication, and we can see the market has been going down this way. So if you want to get this indicator, please speak to your account manager and they will get you to me, and you can actually know what you need to do to actually get this indicator. And also the Admiral candle count timer. If you want to get this, it shows the countdown timer for you here, so you can see how long it's going to take for a candlestick to actually form. All right, so So yes, the EMA cross indicator, that's the name of this indicator, EMA cross indicator. So you can speak to account manager to learn how to actually get it. And also, all right, so now let's look at it on a daily time frame. For so yes, it also gives an alert. As you can see here, this alert just popped telling me there's a buy position for our swing traders. So yes. So my indicator has told me that there's a buy brewing, and it has been confirmed by my moving average cross. Okay, and also confirmed by my RSI over here. All right. So if you want to learn how to use it and to get it, speak to your account manager. So this is already a very good position, looking like a good buy for me. So if you're a swing trader, remember you need good funds in your trading account to be able to actually trade as a swing trader, as an investment trader. All right, so let's go straight into it. I'm just going to mark these regions for my buy since I've gotten my prompt. All right, I've gotten my prompt. However, so you're just going to wait for good confirmations and wait for it to enter this region for my buy. Hey, if you're a swing trader, you have a million, 2 million, 3 million naira and above in your trading accounts, feel free. Feel free. You can even go in for a buy at this time if you're a swing trader. Please, do I have swing traders in the house? Let me see in the chat. Let me see in the chat. Do I have swing traders in the house? How many swing traders do we have here? Jimo, I see. Christy. Okay. Romeo. Happy life. Very unique name. Anthony. All right then. Great. So let's go in once price is able to break into this squared regions. Okay, once price is able to break into these squared regions, that is between 15467.33 and 15951.80. Okay, Godspower, what swing trading? Yes, swing trading is more like investment trading, whereby you just set a specific trade and allow it to go, and it can take days, it can take months for it to get to your take profit. All right. So, but for you to do that, you need to have good volume. All right. So, unlike intraday trading, where you trade and take your profit the same day, for swing traders, you can take a specific trade and let it run for days or even months. All right. So, again, for our buy entry, let's go in one price is able to break into the region between 15467.33, 15467.33, and I'll take profit at 15951.80. Now, remember, you do not have to wait for it to get to take profit. This squared region I'm giving you is your safe zones for you to buy and take profit. Anything inside those regions, you can buy and take your profit. Yeah. And well, so yes, I'm not going to give a sell preference. I'm not going to give a sell preference. Okay, so let's go in for our buy position. Once price is able to break into this region of 15467.33 and 15951.80, because I'm looking out for a buy in the market for our swing traders, at least for the rest of this month on US 100, right? So yes, at least for the rest of the week, rather the month or rest of next week, this market should buy into this zone so you can make good money for yourself. So let's go now to intraday traders, intraday traders, and see what they can be doing this morning, what they can do this morning, and also trade today. So yes, we can see that my indicator has signaled the sell position for me, So I'm going to go into my sell into this region. So now it's also very important to understand that the moving averages work as dynamic support and resistance zones. Yes, so let's wait for it to break comfortably below. Even if I've gotten a excuse me, a sell indication here, but it bounced off this verified support and it's been resisted here, so it's most likely going to continue coming back down. So for our intraday traders, you can take pictures, write it down, set it as I'm going. Anything you that makes you happy, feel free. All right. So please ensure you have good funds in your trading account to take these trades, and also apply proper risk management rules. Okay, always have a stop loss, have your own risk appetite. So let's go in for our sell if price up to break into the regions of 15295.79, 15295.79, 15295.79, down all the way to 15200.37, 15200.37, 15200.37. All right, I believe I've gotten that for our sell entries. However, I'm going to give an alternate entry for your buy just in case it bounces off here, because you can see that it has bounced off this region as well. But in case it breaks this moving average, it's going to come up all the way here. So I'm going to give a buy reference. So for our buy entry, I'm going to give these two regions as our safe zones. Yes, you might feel it's not much, but ladies and gentlemen, this is US 100. You can make a whole lot of money on US 100 this morning. So don't dull, don't dull, don't dull. No, Mr. Ola Luoye. Mr. Ahmed, you are going to forgive me. I think I just murdered your name and took it to hell and brought it back. I'm so sorry. So yes, it's not an instant sell. Okay, I just gave these regions, so you can take it from these regions once price gets into these regions. Okay, and take it into these regions. Please, Mr. Ahmed, forgive me if I destroyed your name. I'm so sorry. Yes, Chika, this is US 100. So for our buy positions, entries between 15374.75, 15374.75, all the way up to 15448.78. Again, 15374.75, all the way to 15448.78. Okay, so you want to watch that. All right, so let's take our positions and get ready. I believe we all have it ready. Okay, so now let's look at our scalpers in the house. Let's go straight to the 15 minutes time frame. Our scalpers, are you there? Are you there? Quick money guys. People that don't like to delay in this market. Sharp, sharp. Okay, yes, something. I see you. Sir Samuel, awesome. Yes, yes, Mr. Samuel. Beautiful. So let's go straight now to the 5 minutes time frame and see what the market is doing on the 5 minutes time frame. So we can see that price right now is actually being resisted. Okay, it's actually being resisted. So it's most likely going to push back down here. All right, so we can see the price has come here, come down, gone up, and down again. So for our scalpers, let's go in once price is able to get into this region. So remember, you can stack and scalp and stack, opening multiple at the same time and closing at the same time to take good profit for yourself. So once price gets into this region, when it starts to come down, you go in for your sales. That's at 15319.29 and 15306.85. You can anything here, can keep taking it, open, close, open, close, open, close. And now one secret about scalping, please, I don't know why people do that. You say, okay, you enter the trade and it's not going your way and you're waiting for a reversal. Remember, you're scalping. Take it, see good profit, you close. If you see minimal loss, you close and take another opportunity. All right. All right. So this is your sell preference. This is your sell preference. Okay. So if it breaks above this region, let's go in. Let's scalp this region. You can scalp this region, which I doubt is most likely going to be doing this. I enter this region. All right. So here and here. So between these regions, we can scalp for a buy positions for our scalping. So we can go in for our buys at 15334.05, 15334.05, and 15348.19. 15348.19. So between these two regions, you can take your scalping positions for a buy, right? So we can see it's trying to consolidate between this region, but it's most likely going to break down below. All right. So remember, you can open multiple trades as long as you're in this zone. You can keep opening and taking. And of course, remember, if you want to scalp and make good funds, you need to use a reasonable lot sizes. Anything from 0.05 up to 0.1. Also very, very comfortable. Now, also note that it also depends on your capital, on your volume, on what you have in your trading account. All right. So please be mindful of the lot size you use. 100, 200K and above, 300K and above, 0.05 and above is good enough for you. Okay, so let's move now to DE30. Now, remember, there's a news coming up for DE30 by 9 a.m. So you want to use this opportunity to make money. Okay. Now, the DE30 is an indices, right? A compilation of different stocks in the Eurozone. So let's go straight now on the daily time frame to see what our swing traders can do and should do. All right, so let's look at D30. Now we can see D30 on the daily time frame has been coming down since it got to this point, making lower highs here. It's done another one here, so it's most likely going to come back down here. So I'm going to be going in for our sell. We are going to be going in for our sell for our swing traders. Okay, once price is able to break it below this region for our sell, let's go in and make good money. By the time you're done with D30 for just for this Maldives or for Christmas, let's not even play. Don't play. You're going to the Maldives in December. Well, I don't. So yes, now let's go in for our sell between price levels 15395.2, 15395.2, and 15145.9, 15145.9. All right, money for Seychelles, vacation money. Let's make it here. Let's make that money. Now, again, 15395.2 and 15145.9. So remember, you can write it down, already marked it in red, or take pictures, or take your entry positions as I'm giving it. Oh my God, as I'm giving it to you. So take them as well. Okay. So yes, I'm not going to give a alternate preference for the swing trading. So let's go straight to our intraday traders. Let's see what is going to be happening. So remember, now the market will most likely consolidate between this region and this region in anticipation of the news coming up by 9 a.m. in the GBP, and it's going to be affecting the more like the Eurozone as well. So let's pitch here. So let's take our tent and sit down here. Once the market throws it to you, catch it and you run with it. All right. So I'm going to wait for a breakout. Okay. So now smart things to do actually for when trading fundamentals as well, especially if you're not sure about the direction, you can wait for a breakout either above or below. Okay. However, note that if you're waiting for a breakout, you're not going to be targeting too much pips, all right, because the market is going to be moving very, very fast. All right, so not too much pips. So you want to be in and out of the market very, very quickly. Okay, and if we are going to be doing this because you're not you're targeting very little pips, you and want to make good money for yourself, you need to use bigger lot size. Now, please, that is very, very, very expensive to trade, so you want to be very, very careful. Okay, 300, 400, 500,000 and above, you can go in for it. Okay, if you have less than that, ensure this is the only instrument you have running. Do not have multiple instruments running. All right, and also use a proper lot size as well. Okay, so please, risk management, very, very important. All right, so let's go in for I'm just going to mark this region. So while I mark it before I call it out, please feel free to write it down. You can see it already. I've shown you where it is. So let's go in. If price becomes volatile and smashes into the region. Price breaks into the region for our buy 15556.8, 15556.8, 15556.8, all the way to 15619.7, 15619.7, 15619.7. And for ourselves, if it smashes below this zone code support, because you can see it's actually consolidating, waiting for that news to actually happen. If it smashes below, let's go down at 15412.2, 15412.2, 15412.2, all the way down to 15333.0, 15333.0, 15333.0. Now remember, you do not have to wait for take profit. Remember, when there's a volatility in the market and news coming out, you want to be on your system to watch it. Once it triggers, bam, you get good profits. You're good. You're good to go. Weekend money don't set. You get it? You get it? At least quick 50, 100K will come out from this morning if you have good amount in your trading account. So if you do not have good amount, please feel free. There's still time. Go to your client office, log in, fund your account, top up to take advantage of these things. I'm going to be giving another entry for GBP USD as well. All right, so top up because I'm going to be giving you news for the GBP for that, giving you entries for GBP next for that news. So top up your account now. If you do not have good funds, top up your account. If you have good funds, still top up your account so you can use bigger lot sizes. Okay, so for GBP USD, we are waiting for that news. So I'm not going to because I want us to make money right now. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at it on 15 minutes time frame. So we are going to be trading that market this morning instantly. Okay, so let's I'm only going to be giving this. I'm not going to swing trade or scalp. I'm going to be trading that news. So you can see market is most likely going to be hovering around this region. So let me look at it on the 5 minutes time frame and see good position. Great. So we want to wait for it to smash above this. Yeah. Okay, you want to trade that news this morning. So please top up your account. It's by 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So you have 15 minutes. Speak to your account manager right now, or you are going to miss out. Speak to your account manager. If you can't get you to your account manager right now, please log into your client office. All right, log into your client office so that you can fund the account and let's make good money for ourselves this morning. Remember, you do not have to wait for take profit, or you do not have to wait for take profit. Once it starts to move, take your money and vamos. Okay. So I've already marked these regions right now. You can mark them and wait for it to enter the regions. If you're not fast enough, you can set pending orders and let's smash it and make money this morning. So let's go in for our buy. If price is able to break above, once that news is released at 1.22279, 1.22279, and 1.22415. I'm sorry I'm rushing this because I want us to be able to get it before the news comes out in about 15 minutes. Okay. So for your sell, 1.22028, 1.22028. So you can see it's waiting for the news, going to be going up and down this region. For take profit region, 1.21876. Okay, I believe we all have it. I don't need to pronounce this thing multiple times. For buy, 1.22279. Take profit region, 1.22415. Sell region, 1.22028. Take profit region, 1.21876. Okay, we are making money on GPUSD this morning. Fund your accounts, get this position. Hope you have gotten it. Hope you've gotten it because I want to move on quickly to gold. All right. Are we good? Are we good? We don't want to miss this. We don't want to miss this. Can I move on? I believe you have taken these positions. Can I move on? Have you funded your account? 1.22279 and 1.22415 for buy entry and take profits, sell entry and take profits, 1.22028 and take profits, 1.21876. See the regions here: buy, take profit, sell, take profit. Okay, so let me go straight to gold. Okay. For gold, let's mark these regions and see what it looks like. So gold is looking like it's doing a more of a sell. My indicator have been shown me a sell and it's conforming with my RSI. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, for the currency meter, I can see GBP is very strong. USD is weak right now. So it's most likely looking like it's going to be going upward. So if you want to get this currency meter as well, it tells you the strength of the currency pairs. Please speak to your account manager. All right. To know how to actually get this this currency strength meter. Okay. So I'm going to go straight to Euro USD. All right, Euro USD, because it's also the news might also be affecting Euro USD. So let me do Euro USD, then I do gold. Okay, so for the Euro USD, let's look at it on 15 minutes to be able to get good entries, and 5 minutes as well to get good positions for our buy and our sell once this news is established. So let's do this as well for Euro USD quickly. Now, Euro USD is a very affordable instrument to trade. So we want to actually go ahead to take good position with it. All right, good lot size. With this, you can get up to, yes, one standard lot even. All right, you can get up to one standard lot even because it's quite affordable to trade. Okay, you can get up to one standard lot because it's quite affordable to trade. If you have good funds, yeah, 200, 300K and above, you can take good one standard lot on this and you are good to go. But remember to trade cautiously and know your risk appetite. Okay. Yes, you can use a buy stop and a sell stop, right? So I'm going to mark these regions right now for Euro USD, for Euro USD. I'm still going to do gold, all right? I'm still going to do gold. For our entries for our buy position, 1.05540, 1.055.40, and our take profit region 1.05588. Remember, please have your account topped up right now. Okay. Okay. Also for our sell, 1.05470, 1.05470, and our take profit 1.0525. Okay. 1.05425. 1.05425. Ensure your sell 1.05470, take profit 1.05425. For our buy, 1.05540 and 1.05588 take profit. So I believe we've gotten that. I believe we've gotten that. So let's go straight now to gold. Okay. Let's look at gold for on 1 hour for our intraday traders. We can see that there's this support and resistance template as well that shows the support and resistance zone is looking very strong this morning. However, it's getting to an overbought region, so you might need to also be cautious and be careful. Also learn from your account manager how to get the template as well. Okay, I'm just going to take 2 positions here. Simple support and resistance strategy. Once price breaks above or below the support or the resistance, we can go in for our entry positions. So I want us to be quick and out of here so we can watch our 2 trades on GBP USD and Euro USD and also D30 at 9 a.m. so that everybody can be focused on their trades and will not be here and be divided. All right, so let's go in for our buy position for gold. If price is able to break above 1891.96, 1891.96, and I'll take profit at 1901.31, 1901.31. And our sell entries at 1875.12, 1875.12, and take profit at regions 1877, 1866.67. Also remember, you can join us on YouTube. You can watch repeat broadcast, repeats of this on YouTube, and also join our Telegram channel to get information, trade hints, everything and anything you need to know. All right, so we are having seminars and trainings coming up today as well in our on-site offices. Okay, speak to your account manager. Also, remember to become a Rally Trade partner, whereby you can actually earn in USD. Okay, so remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow, like, and share. And also, if you want to learn more strategies and knowledge, have more knowledge as well, that is my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. You can also learn some good scalping positions, right? How to scalp on that YouTube link. All right, subscribe, like, and share. Turn on notifications. I'll be posting some new videos soon so that you'll be able to get the notifications. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. Feel free to drop your comments on anything you'd like me to actually put out for you as well. So that is my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Also, the YouTube channel for Rally Trade will be dropped now, and also the Telegram channel as our Telegram channel as well. All right. So yes, learn to how you can become a Rally Trade partner and earn in USD. We did that seminar yesterday. So if you want more information, speak to your account manager, and you can earn as much as 500,000 there every month. Okay. So remember, we do this Mondays through Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And feel free to also join our virtual training classes at Tuesdays through Thursdays at 6 p.m. All right. So please remember to have your accounts funded and ready to make money this morning. Okay. All right, then. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So that's Rally Trade YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share, and our Telegram channel as well. Feel free to join in to get information as well. And yes, that is my own YouTube channel, Echo FX. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Watch the videos there, more educative videos, how to scalp, support and resistance as well. And yes, I'll be posting some more things, so feel free to drop your comments and stay tuned. All right. So this is your GBP USD entries. Okay. Yes, and for our IB partnership link, how to become a partner of Rally Trade, follow this YouTube link to actually watch it and to say it. So we are having seminars across our offices today. So speak to your account manager, bring people, come along, become a partner. All right, come to friends, come to family members, speak to your account manager right now, learn how you can become a partner and make good money for yourself. And yes, very, very important to become a VIP client. As a VIP client on Rally Trade platform, you are entitled to some special indicators, software strategies, and one-on-one trainings. Speak to your account manager today, become a VIP client, and yes, some special bonuses as well. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name once again is Valentine. Yeah. So I wish you all joy, happiness, good luck, very profitable day. Have yourselves a lovely, profitable, and peaceful day ahead. See you again next week. Peace.